Band and loops are a pediatric staple that holds space for erupting teeth. In this quick tutorial, we'll cover how to order a band and loop in RxWizard. After logging in, I will first click on New Case. If I have a template saved for a band and loop, I can use that and just add a patient name, due date, and submit. But if I don't already have one saved, I can click on New Case without template to get started. I'll first add my patient name and the insert date. This is the date the patient is actually receiving the appliance. Then I'll pick my impression type. For an alginate impression, I'll choose physical. For a scan, I'll choose digital, and then pick the scanner type I used. This lets the lab know where to find the scan. Next, I'll choose my type as fixed. Band and loop appliances can go on the upper or lower, so I'll make sure I have the right arch selected. If I need both, I can simply complete one arch and then repeat on the other. For my category, I'll choose Space Maintainers. And for my appliance, I'll choose Unilateral Space Maintainer. Now, I'll choose my bands. For bands I fit chairside and am sending in, I'll choose Doctor Will Provide. For bands the lab fits, I'll choose Lab Will Indirect Band. If I wanted 3D bands that don't require spacers and are custom designed directly on the scan, I'd go back to the Type menu and choose 3D. That will unlock the prescription option. But for now, I'll have the lab fit these bands, and I'll pick which tooth I want banded. If I want buccal tubes, I can add those here. Then, in my Style field, I'll choose Band and Loop, and I'll indicate which tooth I'm extracting or leaving space for. If I want any other options, like adjustment loops, I can add those here. Finally, I'll choose my due date and hit Submit. If I'm sending a physical impression, I'll print this prescription to include in the box, and then print a shipping label right from this page. If I'm sending a digital scan, I'm already done. We've designed RxWizard to be an easy way to submit pediatric and orthodontic prescriptions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're happy to help wherever we can.